Alright, number 3, we're going to write the equation whose graph is the graph of the square root of x, but is shifted to the right 10 units, shifted up 17 units, and vertically stretched by a factor of 8. Alright, so let's take care of that factor of 8, alright? Let's go with f of x here. F of x equals, and then that factor of 8 means it's coming right out front. Remember that? We're going to be multiplying this whole thing by 8. And since we're talking about the square root of x, I'm going to get that going here. And since there's a move to the right 10 units, that is affecting the x coordinates. And so we're going to subtract x, or subtract 10 from x, I should say. All right, since we're moving to the right 10. And then since we're moving up, I'm going to have that plus 17 way on the outside. All right, make sure that's nowhere near that radical. All right, there you have it for number 3. And last one, number 4, we're going to write the function whose graph is the graph of x cubed, but is shifted to the left 85 units, down 65 units. This one has a reflection. All right, it's reflected over the x-axis. And it's vertically compressed this time by a factor of 1/4. Right? Notice that 1/4, that's between 0 and 1. Up above, we had a vertical stretch because that 8 was greater than 1. All right, so we're talking about x cubed. All right, so let's go h of x perhaps equals, and we're going to deal with that compression. All right, we're going to put that 1/4 right out front here. And we're talking about x cubed. And notice it's got a movement to the left, 85 units. So in parentheses, I'm going to, since that's to the left, we're going to add, right? We're going to add 85 units. And we're going to close this off. We're going to cube it. And this thing is going to shift down 65. So we're going to put a minus 65 on the outside here. Now there's one last thing here. Remember that reflection, right? We've got that reflection over the x-axis. So that just means you're going to put a negative way out front. Put that negative right on that 1/4 right there. Right? So there's your reflection over the x-axis. All right, so I hope that helps you out a little bit, and good luck with your homework.